Welcome to Auto In this video, I will explain that McDonald's app DCS error 10021 means, why it's happened and how to fix it quickly.
What is DCS Error 10021? It's a cart order error that prevents checkout in the McDonald's app, usually caused by server issues, account problems, or app glitches. Common causes: server overload or downtime during high-demand periods, outdated app version causing compatibility issues, cache or app data corruption, account login issues or region mismatch, payment or store selection errors. Step 1. Restart the app, close the app completely, and reopen it. Clear cache, reinstall Android. Settings, apps, McDonald's storage. Clear cache and data. iPhone, delete, and reinstall the app. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure the McDonald's app is latest version from App Store or Google Play. Step 4. Check store and region, select a different restaurant location if the current one is offline. Make sure your account region matches the app region. Step 5. Log out and back in, go to account. Sign out, then log in again to refresh your session. Step 6. Check payment method, ensure your card or payment option is valid and matches your billing info.